If you're watching this video, you probably said to yourself, this is the same carpet cleaner that's promised me the Oriental rug will be clean and the urine odor will be removed completely. Welcome to PetPeePee. My name is Meir Martin, and I am the only one on the face of the earth that's clean Oriental rug different from the rest. Guarantee. I clean Oriental rug with a passion because I invented a new cleaning process. Then it's nothing like this in the world. I'm using organic, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. And to prove it to you, the apricot that I'm eating, I can wash it with a bittery cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it is organic and natural. And this is the only cleaning product that's killed bacteria naturally because it's from the Dead Sea. Dead, kaput, gone. This is what's special about my cleaning product, and is nothing like this on earth. Nobody make a cleaning product like this. This is my invention. Plus, I built the XpetPee machine that's clean your Oriental rug by flooding the rug on the top gently with the acidic cleaning product like vinegar, but it's odor-free completely. And the combination of the XpetPee machine that's clean your Oriental rug through and the organic natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea, the combination of two of them together guarantee the elimination completely, totally of the urine crystal odor from your beautiful 120 years old Oriental rug. This beautiful rug that you're watching it right now belonged to Mrs. Jacobs from Georgia. This rug belonged to her grandma, and she used to play on it. You cannot replace memory. You can't. You can replace a rug, you can buy a new one from IKEA. But you will end with the rug, then every 5 years you throw it away and buy a new one. You buy memory. You keep the memory alive in your house. Clean the Oriental rug the right way. Clean it that you can be sure that when you receive the rug, no trace of urine odor and no dirt. This is my reputation. How we do that? Allow me to explain. The blended minerals, then I mix it in a special way for each rug, flood the rug on the top gently. The vacuum floor, size 12 by 20. The rug placed on the vacuum floor, and every 3 feet will be vacuum through the rug. So it will vacuum from under the rug. So all the cleaner that is on the top of the rug that circulate around the rug release all the bacteria, the crystal, the urine crystal, your cleaning product that you use, and all of them together. All the dirt, everything, the dog saliva, the pee-pee, whatever, by so many years, everything will wash out completely through the rug and fall down to the pen. Listen how my machine is working and how the vacuum extract all the urine, all the liquid, all the cleaner from the top of the rug to the bottom of the rug. Take a look. The movement of the cleaning product from the one side to another side with so much power and vacuum through the rug. This is how the rug got clean. We don't use a scrubber, and we don't use all the squeezy and the other carpet equipment that's all around the world they are using to clean your Oriental rug. We are in America. I invented a cleaning product that's cleaned the Oriental rug the right way. After the vacuum extract all the pee-pee, the urine, the dirt, whatever, everything fall down to the pan and pump out to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I have the tube that shows me what is in the rug in this moment, in this process. In the beginning, it was yellow mustard, dirty. Sometimes even it's black. How bad is it? And more the cleaning process progress, it become lighter and lighter and lighter till the tube is clear. The same crystal water coming from the top, the same crystal water pumping to the sewage. I know I complete the cleaning process. I vacuum the rug in a special way and then brush it. Brush the rug gently. Brush it one way. The same thing like your lady left the hairdresser. Beautiful. The rug is shiny. It stay on the floor overnight. It dry on the floor, and then the next morning the rug is 98% dry. I can hang the rug. I finish the cleaning process. When it's completely, I inspect the Oriental rug by smelling it. Smelling the Oriental rug completely. And now, after it's odor-free completely, clean, I fold the rug the right way, put it in the big plastic bag to ship it back to the lady. And before I ship it, I will leave it 24 hours in the plastic bag. The next morning before the shipment, I open the package and I smell it. If it smell, I will clean it again. Never happen. This is how I clean your Oriental rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. And thank you for watching. PetPeePee, only in America. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.